Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. Ah, yeah. But what's troubling you is the nature of my game. All right, I'm holding in my hand, this is one of my children's Social Security cards. Got the information covered up here so you can't see anything. And I wanted to show you guys something real quick. If you've ever seen it before. There is, let me see if I can zoom in. I'm using my super intense magnifying glass that's used for hobbies. And then I'm also using, it's that bad. Let's just zoom in and see if I can get a better shot. Do you see that? That is fine micro text. When you sign one of these bad boys, you're signing your life to the government. Look at that micro text. It runs all the way around it. Pull out you get a chance. Here, we'll try and zoom back in again. You get a chance. Try to decipher what yours says. If you get a chance. And I got something else to show you real quick. I'm in my shop here. I got some quarters I want to show you real quick. Now, what do you guys remember? You guys remember these quarters? Now, this is 1965. I got some older ones. Now you got the eagle on the back, right? And what's he facing? It says, "In God we trust." Let me zoom in a little bit. Pull the camera over a little bit, get a better shot. See, he's facing "In God we trust," right? On that quarter. And that's 19, is it 60, 65, something like that. All right, so that's that. All right. Now, you want to see something odd. I want to show you over the years here. I've got several of them. Pull that up better. He's facing away from "In God We Trust." It's to the back of him. Here's another near one. See, "In God We Trust" over there on the right hand side. It's to the back of him. And it doesn't matter what state. I've got a crap ton of quarters here, and every one of these newer quarters, every one of these, he's facing away from "In God We Trust." Okay. And I got, here's another one. Let's see. This is a newer coin. Now look at this. He's facing a different direction. It means something. And he's not facing "In God We Trust." He's facing away from it. He's weird looking. Almost like an alien. So he doesn't look like the same cat as all, does it? Look at that. It's almost like two different people there, right? I wanted to share that with you real quick. Now, I'll put the exact scripture for you in the drop down so you don't have trouble looking it up. There's a scripture in Revelations. Now they talk about statues a lot in the Bible. Well, maybe a few times, probably like three different times. And they're slightly worded different in each one. And in Revelations, they talk about a statue. And in some cases, people have a dream of a statue. I think it's one of the kings or something. But there's a statue, and the beast has given the other beast permission to give the statue life. Now, statues back then, I mean, when they try to word what they were seeing or what they thought or things, a statue, they could be speaking of a robot. They could be talking about an artificial intelligence being the life, and they could be talking about a robot being the statue. So it's a statue, an autonomous robot, the statue. And the beast gave the other beast permission to give it life. And it spoke. It says, those that don't follow me shall die. And that's in Revelations. And I got to thinking, I was like, well, don't hate me for this, but I do a lot of thinking. And a lot of people don't like me because I think too much. Gork. What does the abbreviation really mean, or is it just made up? Is it God or kill? What is it? What is it? What would you, I mean, what would you think of the two beasts? The beast gave the other one permission to give the statue life. Genesis. Have you guys heard that one yet? That's the new one. Genesis is, we're going to run we've basically the same format as the Manhattan Project, the space race, both of those. The Genesis project for artificial intelligence has been boosted to that status. If you think about all that stuff, it's almost like it's a plan, isn't it? It almost is. But I got to thinking, I was like, you're not supposed to be science seeking and all that stuff, BA. You're not supposed to look at these things. And then I'm seeing new viruses popping out of the woodwork, and there's supposed to be I always thought that there would be, like, for the beast, it would be like a virus with multiple heads type thing. You know, I always thought about stuff like that, because it is actually in there. You know, you start looking, it's like, oh, well, that's not really a big deal, is it? Isn't it funny, though? I got to thinking, too, is like, I used to be able to turn my phone off. I used to take my battery out. I had a BlackBerry, and I used to take my battery out. I could reset that thing, right? And, like, you could take the power off of it, because I feel like, you know, something's always listening. Like, the Google system is always listening. When I'm, like, talking about stuff, and it starts pulling things up for me, here, this is what you really want to know about. Or I'm talking about something that's local in my area, and all of a sudden Google just so kindly shares their AI opinion of what I'm talking about. You used to be able to take them out. They don't let you do that anymore. They want even if you turn the phone off or put it on airplane mode, it is still on. It is still on, and it's still studying you. I've tried everything, man. The only thing I can do is, like, just put it in a freezer or something to get it to shut up, because I swear that thing is like, I'm like, okay, R2D2, you know, we're about done with you. Oh, Hal, shut up. It's like, oh man, what are you doing, Dave? Daisy. So I had the kids watch. They was like, Dad, what's that movie you keep quoting? I was like, that's 2001 Space Odyssey. Kids wanted to watch it. And I was like, there you go. I was like, kids, you're not going to be prepared for the ending, because it's weird. And it's like, they're laughing at the whole, like, let's talk about this, Dave. And he's like unplugging him. And I think about that. I was telling the kids last night, I said, that's how I feel about my phone. And my phone is always listening to me. I can't take the battery out. But look, go look that stuff up for yourself. I'm not jiving you. I'm not messing with you. I'm being for real. You should be questioning everything, and hate me if you want to. But I just try to share with you things that I see on a daily basis, and I hope this helps. And please share. And you can hit that hype button too, because it's free. I think that's all free if they allow you. But anyways, but God bless, and take care, and stay sane, and don't let the government get you.